In this week's tech tip, we're going to go over how to output a wall panel to Howick CNC. What we're going to do is we're going to select a member. We're going to hit the Structsoft Solutions tab where it says Wall CNC. We're going to hit the pull down and we are going to hit Howick. This dialog box is going to pop up, and what we're going to do is we're going to generate a new CNC. It's going to ask you where you want to have this output placed. We're going to hit Howick Walls, and we are going to have View CNC checked. What that option does, it will bring in the operations into your Revit model so you can see each operation a member has. You need to make sure that these operations are correct. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit OK. And what's happening is the software is creating a CSV that the machine will read, and also because we had View CNC checked, it will create the operations in your Revit model. So now if I zoom into the top track, you can see if I select a member, you can see I have all my little operations I have my dimple, I have my lip cut. If I go down to the header, you can see it does the same thing here, and also the sill and so forth. Now, if I open that CSV that was generated, you can see it gives you the units that the model has, what type of profile, the panel name, each member's label, and then here is the operations, and then the value of where it is. So in this week's tech tip, what we went over was how to create an output for our walls for the CNC for Howick.